Kenny Bednarek wins men's 100 meter in photo finish ahead of Oblique Seville and Zarnell Hughes in their first Grand Slam track. Bednarek overcame a misstep early in the men's 100 to beat Jamaicans Oblique Seville as the opening night of Grand Slam track culminated in a thrilling photo finish. British Zarnell Hughes finished third ahead of Hakeem Blake of Jamaica by the narrowest of margin in the short sprint. Here we have Kenny Bednarek defeating Oblique Seville and Zarnell Hughes and Hakeem Blake in a thrilling 100 meter battle. Oblique Seville is coming back from injury that is sustained in the Paris Olympics. I think he's using this as an opener to see where he's at, and I am sure that he wasn't running at full 100 because coming back from injury, you have the mental side that you have to pass and the physical side also. So I wouldn't write too much about this for Seville because we know that Seville can go much faster than 10. He can run well into 9 seconds. So let's see what will happen. And it was a good run. Congratulations to Bednarek. He's a good 100 meter runner, although he's more known for the 200 meters. Let's see what happens when he bows into the 200 meters and go up against the others. Continue to tune to Sports Circle 345. We're bringing you news, views, and reviews. What would my friend? God bless you.